Nongpoh MLA Meralbon's aim on Friday petitioned Donor Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia and submitted a memorandum urging him to expedite the process of Nongpoh-Omden-Sonapur road. Same said that the important road is supposed to be constructed at a cost of Rs 52 crores. According to SAIM, the minister had assured him that the project will be given a top priority by the ministry. As far as the second phase of the project is concerned, SAIM plans to visit New Delhi soon to meet the concerned minister to expedite the entire road project.
And he has assured me personally that he will take up this matter on a top priority basis. So I hope that this project for the upgradation of Nongpoh-Omden-Sonapur road with an estimated cost of 52.98 crore, the length of 20 kilometers, which has been proposed through NESID, Ministry of Donor, and appraise him for an early sanction, for a speedy sanction as soon as possible within this year, this 2024. That is my meeting with him, and it is fruitful. I'm happy for the outcome of the meeting today.